And welcome back to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hackathon. I show you how to build software without coding. And in this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to create an AI-powered search engine for Airtable. Many businesses are storing information and directories in Airtable, and using AI can be a great way to get recommendations from your own internal resource base or your own internal base. I'll show you how it works and then show you how I put it together. I'm going to say hello. I'm going to say I want to start a marketing agency. Who should I talk to? And we're going to allow the function to run. And you can see it returns people from my database that I should talk to. We'll wait for it to finish. So it returns 3 individuals. One specializes in digital marketing, one specializes in SEO, and another is a content writer. If we take a look at our database, we can actually see that we have the name, the description of the person and their profession. So we go back, we can see Jamie Casey. We can see Jamie Casey right here. We can see, I think that's Bailey Morgan. And it's actually Morgan Bailey, but Morgan's right here. And Christopher Dunn. So we've got Christopher Dunn here. Or Dunn Christopher. The first step I took was to create my Airtable base. So this is just a very, very simple base. This can be, if you're running an online community, this can be community members, this can be online resources, this can be any information that you want it to be. Then I created a custom GPT. So this is actually a custom GPT that was made. If I show you what's under the hood. I have very simple instructions. You are a helpful assistant that provides connection recommendations in the specific base based on the user query. Introduce yourself and your purpose. Ask the user what skills they need. Use the function to check the no-code community view on the Airtable query GPT for the top 3 people with the closest skill set necessary. Very, very simple instruction. And then we also have an action here. So we take a look at our action. I added the API key up here, the bearer token, and we have the schema. And this allows us to connect to our Airtable base. The way I created the schema is I have a template. I will attach the template in the description of the video, but this is a template that I use to generate the schema, and I use ChatGPT to actually adapt it for my use case. So what I do, I come in, I change the curl request to be the curl request for that particular table or base. I change the bearer token to be the bearer token for that particular base. I also changed the data structure. So I think many of you reached out and said it doesn't work for you. This data structure is not going to be the same for you. This data structure is an example data structure for my particular base. As you can see, I have name, profession, record ID created, last updated, and these are all the things I have here. If you have more fields, less fields, your data structure will be different. I guess if you use all the same fields I've used, your data structure would be the exact same. Then I feed it into OpenAI, and I think my exact prompt is, the prompt's already embedded in the template up here at the top. So all it does, it generates, and I just copy it. I head over to here, I just paste it right here, and it works. So I go ahead and click save. I'll put only me, and then we'll test it again. So I've asked my question. I want to build a mobile application. Who should I connect with? And it's connected with a mobile developer, a UX UI designer, and a software engineer. So that is how you search Airtable with AI. This is a very simple walkthrough. I do have a more detailed video on how to, breaking it down a little bit more in another video that I made a while ago. So I'll link that in the description below. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and happy hacking.